What is an inventory and how do you go ahead and put one together in an Indiana probate matter? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain a little bit about the inventory process. So whether you open a supervised estate or an unsupervised estate, within 60 days you have to prepare an inventory. And what the inventory does is it gives notice to the beneficiary or the creditors about the state or the solvency of the estate. And so an inventory is a document, and you as the personal representative will have to swear to it that it is accurate based on the knowledge that you have at that time. Typically in the inventory, we list the assets and the debts in a typical order. For instance, we'll list real property, and then we'll give the estimated value or the approximate value of the real property. And then we'll go to a personal property. And personal property can include vehicles. If the vehicle is part of the estate, we'll list the model, the make, the year, and the approximate value of the vehicle. There could be other personal property like stocks or bonds. Those would be listed if they are part of the probate estate. There could be other personal property like motorcycles, RVs, airplanes, boats, lawn equipment. There could be other personal property, household furnishings. Now, unless the house is a mausoleum or the house it has a whole bunch of antiques, generally you can group the household furnishings into one item. However, if there's crystal or if there's collective wear or if there's gold or silver or things along those lines, you will have to itemize that stuff individually so somebody can get an idea of the assets. Finally, if there are bank accounts that are property or part of the probate estate, the bank account information will need to be listed. And so then those would be the assets. And then we would list the assets as real property, personal property, and then cash on hand. The next thing that you're going to list on the inventory would be known debts. For instance, if there's a mortgage on the home, if there's loans on the vehicle or on your plane or on your boat or things like that, you're going to list the actual mortgage or loans on that property. And then you're going to list any other debts that you might know if there's credit card debt or medical bill debt or anything like that. Because then that will give the beneficiaries and that will give the creditors an idea of what the estate has, what the assets of the estate are, what the debts of the estate are, so then they can make an informed decision about whether, especially creditors, but whether they're actually going to deal with this issue and file a claim or whether they're just going to go ahead and close their account. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana probate matter, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.